Rohan loved the forest. Every rustle of leaves was a secret. Every bird's song a hidden message. One sunny morning, with a snack in his pocket and a map drawn by his imagination, he set off for a grand adventure. Deeper and deeper he went, past towering trees and sparkling streams. Suddenly, a tiny, shimmering butterfly with wings like stained glass fluttered right in front of him, then zipped off into a thicket. "Wait for me," Rohan giggled, following its magical trail. The butterfly led him to a clearing he'd never seen before. In the center sat a grumpy-looking squirrel, polishing a tiny, acorn-shaped locket. "Lost, little human?" it chattered, its voice surprisingly deep. "This forest has a way of showing you things." Rohan gasped. "A talking squirrel? I'm not lost, just exploring." "What's that locket?" The squirrel, whose name was Nutkin, sighed. "It's a truth teller. It glows when you're on the right path, but it only works for those with a kind heart." Nutkin offered Rohan the locket. "You seem kind enough, but beware of the whispering willows. They love to trick travelers with their rustling riddles." Rohan carefully took the locket, feeling a warm tingle. "Thank you, Nutkin." Rohan continued his journey, the locket glowing softly in his hand. Soon he heard a strange, sibilant sound. Whoosh, whisper, whoosh. Ahead, a grove of ancient willow trees swayed, their long branches brushing the ground like green hair. "Come closer, little one," whispered the trees. "Tell us your biggest wish, and we shall grant it." Rohan remembered Nutkin's warning. He looked at the locket, which pulsed a bright, steady light. "My biggest wish is to find my way home, but I want to do it myself." The willows sighed, their whispers fading. The locket had shown Rohan the truth. The willows only offered easy shortcuts, not real journeys. He walked past them, feeling proud, and the locket's glow guided him towards a familiar path. As the sun began to dip, painting the sky in fiery oranges and purples, Rohan saw the familiar edge of the forest. He looked back, a smile on his face. The locket gave one last gentle pulse, then dimmed. Rohan returned home, a little tired but full of stories. He knew the forest held many more secrets, and he couldn't wait for his next adventure. But for now, he had a magical locket and a tale of courage to share.